Most of you have been asking us, how do we get our animals so big and so healthy? What do we feed them? So we feed them with pellet feed, and that's what you're looking at, right? This is what we feed them, and it has all the minerals and essentials they need to be able to grow healthy and stronger, right? So if you want some, we do have it at the Agro Store. You can contact the WhatsApp number in our bio and be able to get some for your goats, sheep, pigs, every livestock farm that you're doing. And that is the vision, guys.